invincible.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading.
happy Thursday, CPI day. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Markets seem a little stagnant, but let's see here. ES, 58.42 for a high. 58.28 for a low. Yeah, it's about 14 points. Not a big move there. NQ, low, 401. High, 474. Oh, yeah, that's a small range, about 73 points. Kappa, about 140 ticks. Ultra Bond falling, about 17 ticks there. Gold, about 13 points. Crude oil falling, like about 120 ticks of range. Natural gas falling. Bitcoin, slightly above 61K. So that's where he sits down there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. We got CPI coming up in 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes now. Okay, so the Apex banner there is wrong, but I'm hesitant to change it because I don't think it's going to be wrong. Right now, the best deal at Apex is 50%. We are trading the Phidias account today. If I remember where on my software we have. Let's see, hold on. No, it's not showing up there. Okay, hold on. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Now we got some quant tower action. There we go. Just kind of wait. Morning, David. How are you? You guys are hearing me okay, right? Okay, good. Fun. Thank you, Jay. How are you doing today? Hey, Crypticon. Yeah, I saw the thing you posted in Psychology. All right. Tell him I hope he has a good day at school. I think he rises back up here. 20 minutes until CPI. CPI is early this month. It means that middle of the month is gonna like be boring. Oh, I'm not. It's fine there. I'm not. If I would have had a problem with it, I would have taken it down. You're good. Might be trying to pull back a little bit here. Unless something flashes a big neon sign that says take me," I'm not probably not entering anything until after CPI. Hanging out here at 20, just under 20,450. Good morning, John. How are you? Pulls back here a little bit. I'm doing good, John. No trades yet. Glad to hear you got a nice winner. So nice win yesterday for the Tigers. I hope they put away the Guardians today. Assume they play today. Yeah, they do. You know, someone actually posted an interesting factoid that I hadn't realized, and it's starting with July 12th, which was the Oakland series right before the break. The Phillies went 34 and 35 with a negative 10 run differential. So they were not a good team almost the entire second half of the season. And the Mets were like the best team from like June 1st on. Basically, the Mets did what the Phillies had done the prior 2 years. Right. Yeah, exactly. And honestly, some of the trades Dombrowski's done, like none of his deadline trades have been good for the most part. Um, GT Remuto looks, at least hitting wise, looks kind of cooked. We chased a lot of pitches. And, Alec Boehm, he needs to get his head together. His temper tantrums have gotten old. Throwing bats, throwing helmets, slamming bats, all this stuff. He needs, if he hasn't seen one, he needs a sports psychologist. I like Alec Boehm. I really do. But these temper tantrums, every once in a while is fine, but it's been constant. And it's just like, he's getting it, getting in his own head way too much. Sitting here at 444. I would love to see Alec Boehm succeed, but right now Alec Boehm is Alec Boehm's biggest problem. Just kind of falling here, less than 10 minutes to go until CPI. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? Ooh, quick fall here. It's going to be really interesting to see if the Yankees re-sign Soto or not. Can you tell my mind's already in the offseason? Do you think the Tigers would spend that kind of money? Nice little bounce here. I mean, I admit I was shocked when the Tigers signed Javi Baez. That didn't work out well. Tried to pop back up, coming down. Speaking of race, John, did you see their ballpark? Roof is gone. Roof is gone. We are 5 minutes until CPI. Anyone doing a YOLO? Yeah, hold on, John. This is a drone. This is drone footage of Tropicana. The sad part is they were using that to stage linemen and National Guard people, emergency supplies. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out if that's fixable before next year, you know, and before April or March, whatever. I have not. I've been watching. He sends me messages on Twitter. I have not heard anything yet. I haven't heard anything from Josh either. Hey, Saudi guy. Yeah, we have some of the biggest news of the month in 2 minutes. CPI. Hey, Freighter, how you doing? Yes. It's one of the big four each month. CPI, PPI, FOMC, NFP. Start spreading the news. We're trading today. FOMC meeting minutes yesterday was the most muted I've ever seen it. It's like barely moved. But it's like something came out early because like 10 minutes before it made a huge move down. That's an interesting pop there right before CPI and then drop. Whoosh. Okay, it has no clue what it wants to do. Waiting on the numbers, not seeing it out yet on financial juice. There it is. Year over year 2.4, forecast was 2.3. It came in a little bit hotter than expected. Month over month was 0.2. They expected 0.1. So yeah, that's and jobless claim. I forgot we had jobless claims too today. 258K. They expected 230K. So both of those are not good signs for the economy. And it means that next FOMC meeting we'll see 25 basis points or nothing. Excuse me. Pops back up. It's not moving real fast though. Thought about taking that green candle. I should have, but I didn't. It's okay. Hits the 9 EMA and then comes back down. Sorry about the yawn there. I'm trying to pick my spots here if there's a spot to pick. If there's a nose to pick. It's a blue candle forming. We'll see what it does. Got 45 seconds. It's getting beaten down. Beat down, beat down. I had to beat it down. Fallen. So we got a new low a day and high a day on the news candle. Ooh, there's a pop. They say once you pop, you can't stop. It keeps nosing that 9 and then falls away from it. 9 sitting at 24.12. Yes, it is, Saudi guy. Yes. Still falling. Now our low got down to 358. Magnum. Again, today every Thursday we trade the Phidias account. Phidias is an up-and-coming prop, and they're fixing one of my biggest criticisms of Phidias. Phidias has a swing account out, which is rare in futures, but you had to close for news. So it wasn't a true swing account. You could hold overnight and over weekends, but you couldn't hold during news. As of October 15th, that's being fixed. So we're going to finally have a true, affordable swing account in futures. Now I think the Uprofit one is the new Uprofit's also a swing. But there you got to use their new platform, whatever that is. With Phidias, you can use a rhythmic platform. I need to grab one of those cheap Uprofits to see how that platform is that they have. We're long off that blue candle there. Big stop, 15 points. Oh, and I'm going to get stopped out. Ouch. Wasn't ready. Well, maybe not. Come on back. Got within a point of my stop there. Looks like it's still going to come down for me, though. Yep. Stopped out. That sucked. Should do that with micros. I need to have a micro chart up. A little late now. Well, if you don't want to blow your account, you should probably double it. Because if you take out that amount, is it going to leave you with any drawdown? New low a day. Big fall here. Now we're down on about 100 points. Then just put in your payout request. I don't think that's a smart move, but put in your payout request. That's good. Yeah, I never seen an actual announcement about the new flipping rule. So, I think you're fine. You traded 10 days, right? 10 trading days? No, you need to trade 10. With 5, you would need exactly the same amount every day. Did you get exactly the same amount every day? I mean, maybe. I. It's a moving target with them right now. I'm not really. I don't think they have a rule against flipping yet, but they're confusing right now. So if you first don't succeed, try again. Long here. It was going. Now it's not. We're in at 337.25. There we go. Looking for 353. That's the 9. Just touched it. I'm out. Ah. Hold on. There we go. Boom. Out there. 20 points. And we're back in the green. Back in the green. Breaking hearts again. Sorry. I think we're going to keep going up. I like that 5-minute chart. You can see that'd be an entry for me on the 5. But it's 4 minutes to go on that 5-minute chart, so we'll see what happens. You see it's struggling there at the 9, so I'm not upset about getting out where I did, even if it blows up here. How's everybody else doing? Everyone else got really, really quiet. Oh, Josh, how you doing, my friend? Does this mean you have power? Hey, David, good to see you. Nice, and everything else is good. No damage or anything. All right, there you go, Platt. Awesome. I'm glad to hear that. Touches our 20 EMA. This could really be a pivot back up for a while. I'm liking what I'm seeing on the 5. Somewhat. Effect. Pulls back a little bit now, though. So glad I didn't take it right off the 5. That would have been bad. Oh, RT416. I think we get 24 hours today, regardless. No, kidding. Just kidding around. How you doing? I don't recognize your name, so either I have early onset Alzheimer's or you're new. If you're new, welcome. If I have Alzheimer's, then I apologize for anything else I might babble and don't realize. Okay. Well, welcome, welcome, welcome. Could not get through the 20. Just hanging out right now. Blue candle. Yeah, well, it was. Still struggling here at the 20. Sort of like the Philadelphia Eagles struggling at the 20. Reminder today, after the bell, our friend Matt from TradeDay is holding a special little webinar called Building a Playbook, the 3 phases of creating and deploying a strategy. I'll post up the YouTube link for that here. That's today at 4 o'clock Eastern Time. Yeah, John, that was a little raw yet. That's why I decided to use the Eagles. Blue candle trying to pop. I missed it. I didn't have my chart up. That was perfect, but it's the problem with having all these platforms is I'm moving things around. Could have got 10. Nah, actually didn't go 10 yet. So for the first time in a long time, Apex is only 50% off. But the $85 lifetime PA fees are still in place. That said, I do think there will be a new deal announced today or tomorrow with Apex. I talked to John Skelton last night. That's how I know that the $85 PA fee is still going and all that. And he said he's going to try and get a new deal worked out, maybe something different. It's weird that I'm now like talking to all these people that are big in the industry. Before it was just Josh. JJR, good morning, and haven't seen you in a while. Where have you been? Is it still 1 day past? That's a great question. He did not mention that either way when he and I were chatting last night. So I actually don't know. I would guess it is, but I can't say for sure. Personally, I don't think it's going to stay at 50%. I think it's going to be a better deal in the next day or two. Just so I would hold off and wait anyway. We've kind of like gotten choppy here. Smaller candles. Our ATR is already decked down to less than 14 on the 1 minute chart. As we approach the top of the hour here in under a minute. There's also no good Bulenox deal right now. That also expired. Now they have a good deal on their end of day with Bulenox. Their end of day, they finally decided to price match topstep apparently. So now their end of day is $46.55 for the 50K. Top of the hour. Let's see what happens. 30 minutes till the bell. Sitting here at 360. Nice pop there. Ace should be joining us soon. Rises up to 382, so it's a nice little pop. But where's it going from here? I don't know where it's going. A little blue candle there from Pasadena. But, not really taking it there. Hey, Rod. How are you? Ooh, quick snapback there. Wow, that was a really quick snapback. You'll get that back. One for two in the morning, up $100 so far on the Phidias account. Yeah, Phidias is one of the newer firms that I'm actually excited about. I like them. Yeah, I agree. Because now you got to wonder if the next FOMC, if they're even going to drop rates again. Trying to pop back up here. $20 minutes till the bell. Still falling. This purple candle here, I'm not sure about. Yep, went away anyway. Well, it didn't go away, but it was all wick. It's hanging here around 361. Not a typical CPI in my opinion. Normally we're riding big waves, and we're not really riding big waves. It's kind of boring. Got PPI tomorrow. I guess that'll be all boring. So yesterday, I wanted to point this out. Let me look at it now. We'll turn back time. We had FOMC meeting minutes yesterday, and it was the most muted reaction I've ever seen. But here, now watch this. This was FOMC meeting minutes right here. And it was all of a 13-point candle. That was it. But look, it's like the algos got the news several minutes early. Because look at this. This is what the FOMC candle normally look like. The FOMC meeting minutes. And so it seems like something got released early to the major big guys. And we saw that dip from 397 down to 355, which is a 42-point dip, or 40-something point dip. And then it came back up, and now it did rise up nicely about half an hour later. But just interesting because all the companies that have news trading rules wanted people to be flat for this, and all the big event was 7 minutes prior. Hang in here right at 360. 15 minutes till the bell. Where is Ace? The Ace is missing. Struggling to get through the EMAs. Fails again. It fails. It's a failure. Still trying. Mad at myself for missing this purple right here. It's trying to break up here. ATR's fallen under 10 on a CPI day before the bell. That is really, 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 really different. It's just not going anywhere. I mean, this is kind of a surprise. It's also a surprise that we're 10 minutes till the bell, and we have no ace. We have no RJ. Maybe their train got stuck. Yes, you are, ace. I'm gonna have to dock your paycheck. Morning, my friend. How are you? I'm doing good. Falling again here. Bounce. Blue. Ace is going long. Morning, RJ. A little more than 5 minutes till the bell. Nice rise. Rise up. Gonna rise up. It's enough to get Lyme disease, Ace. It's trying to pop here. I don't know. It's kind of like a monster, ready to spit it out. There we go. Give it an eye. Nice blue candle there. Do I want to try and take a quick scalp before the open? Let's vote. No. Sorry, 6-point candle, not 6 minutes, 6 point. Morning, USC. How are you? Yeah. Honestly, yeah, obviously I did not take that. So we're going to the open, having taken 2 trades this morning, 1 winner, 1 loser, up about 100 bucks. We're trading our Phidias account. Phidias Thursdays here at MightyOxTrading. Market's wonky. Up, down, up, down. Down it comes. Bounces. Comes back down, down, down. Up, down, down. Left, right, A, B, start. Here's a fall. And a bounce. Big bounce. I like big bounces and I cannot lie. Struggling. Ooh, whoosh. Huge candle. 30-point candle here now. Straight up. Straight up. Now tell me. Do you love me forever? Up to the 100 EMA. Bounces off of it. Back down. Right back up to it. Breaks through. Tries to break through. Up again. Continue to rise up. Ace is long on the ES as it breaks toward the 100 EMA. Rising. Falling. Indecisive. Good job, Ace. No idea where we want to go. I don't like this price action. I don't like it at all. Give me some new price action. Coming off that 100 EMA, is it going to come back down? Needed to see it break the 20, and it's not doing that yet. There's a bounce back up. Short. There we go. Out 10 points, I think. Yeah, we're up 315 now in the day. Ooh, I got out at the right time. Wow, look at that bounce. Would that make me a ox sandwich? I'm on a roll. Oh. I always get worried when people start talking about oxtail soup. Choppy, trying to come back up again. 5-minute chart makes me think it wants to come up, but yet... trying to test that 100 EMA again. Will it break through this time? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask on MightyOxTrading. I didn't look to see if we had any other news this morning. I guess I should look at that quick. I have a Fed's barking is barking at 10:30. Other than that, no. Though if you're trading into the afternoon, be careful of the 30-year bond auction at 1 p.m. Eastern. Again, hits the 100 EMA, could not get through it. I think again. It's a wall that has not yet come tumbling down near the wall. Gold coming down. How many times it's hit that 100 EMA? Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. Ace is probably out on bus duty now. Or he's somewhere crying because he thinks you ignored him. Flirting with a blue candle, but it needs to finish above this 100 EMA. Which is the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, basically. Yeah, I know. I'm just joking around, RJ. Ooh, and there's, look at that rejection. Whoosh. So never could break that 100 EMA and whooshing down from there. It is a whooshing machine. Wow. Starting to feel like Sesame Street. Today's Sesame Street is brought to you by the word long. Nice. RT. Do you have a target, or are you out? Trailing it? Just trying to get down to 300. Touches 301. Trying to pop blue candle. Big pop. Long, but probably stupid, but maybe not. Sniffs the 9. Bounces the 9. Yeah, I should have got out at the 9. Yep, that was stupid. That was stupid. Stupid, 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 stupid. Coming back up. Well, the stupid thing was not putting my stop where it should have been, which was at the bottom of that blue candle. Then I wouldn't have got stopped out. Long again. 20 EMA. This time is in the way. Come on. Break through it. 20 EMA sitting at 349. Bounces on it again. Are you serious? Come on, get through that 20. Nope, bounces on it again. Yeah, not listening to myself here is starting to hurt me bad. Nice, RJ. Come on, bounce up for me. Ah, oops. There we go. There we go. It's a great question, Joe. Come on, get through that 20. Come on. You can do it. Nope, again, it bounces off the 20. Trying again. There we go. There we go. Now I'm looking for the 100. 372 is my goal. Can I get it? I don't think so. Target placed at 371.5. There we go. Running. Struggling at 354. There's 360. There's 364. 66. 67. Come on. I want 71. Oh, oh. Okay, I took it off. We're now up 485 on the day. Yep, it would have hit my 371, but that's okay. Have a great day, RJ. We'll see you tomorrow. So, I got stopped out taking this blue candle, and I got scared. I took the stop. I didn't move my target, my stop down below this candle. If I could have stayed in that whole run there for a 40-point run. Instead, I took a bad stop, a 15-point stop. Again, got back in on the second blue candle, and that worked. But there was no reason for me to get out on this one. I should have let it play out. See you, Chris. Have yourself a great day. Blue candle, I don't know if I want to trust that one though. And I'm glad I didn't trust that blue. Now we're starting to heat up. About 20 is our ATR. And back up. Getting a little choppy again. Trying to decide where it wants to go here. I don't know where it's going. It bounces off again, trying to move up again. I'm saying again a lot. Let's see what everything else is doing. So gold ripped to the upside. That's an upside gold. Ultra bond to the downside. Copper's running. Crude oil at a pop. Coming back down now. Bitcoin back under 61K. Russell's falling, bouncing now. Ugly chop right now. There's a rise up trying to reclaim 2,400. 20400. If NQ is down to 2,400, it'd be scary. And back down. So it did not like it touched 400 exactly and rejected off of it, and rejected hard, over 30 points. Can't break through the 20 though, trying to bounce back up. Pops up. Blue candle, I don't like it there. I really don't. Y'all got quiet again. How you doing out there? Under folks, if you haven't already, I appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Let everyone know you're liking the stream. Rising up now, got up to 409 quarter. Up to 409, sorry, 412, 413, 415. How about that? 415. Is our high day again? Oh yeah, we're well off the high day. That's right. All the way up there at 478. Sorry about that. I muted for a second and then forgot I did it. I apologize. I need a big red flashing thing that tells me when I'm muted. Sitting on the 9 EMA. Little less talk and a lot more action. Yeah, it's a very slow CPI day. I'm disappointed. I want my money back. Oh, wait. How are you doing today, Burl? Burl. Whichever name I decide to use today. Oh, I'm short, but I got in late. In at 96. I should have been in at 98. I got... Maybe we're going to get something here. There we go. Boom. Bounces there, so I'll take that. That looks like I had 5 points. But better if I'd been in at the right time, but it might still fall. But I'll take that. We're up 585 on the day. Didn't get good sleep last night. Yeah, I agree with that. I need to do the same. Sitting on the 100 EMA. Sitting on the 100 EMA. Watching candles form away. I mean, I got 5 topstep, an MMFU, and 3 fast track that are those are funded accounts. I still have a Phidias, a funded futures network, and a Bulenox eval. Oh yeah, I have an Apex funded as well. So yeah, I mean it's up to you. No, it's hard to trade multiple firms. So I mean, I regulations coming. How soon it's coming, I don't know, and what exactly that means, I don't know. But I see evaluations getting more expensive when that happens for whatever reason. So I'm trying to make sure I have a lot of funded accounts already in the bag when that happens. I want to get the current evals that I have. I want to get them funded, and I want to get 2 more of my funded futures done. That'll give me 5 top step, 3 my funded futures, and then a few others from the different firms. There's also supposedly, and I don't know if I would ever use this, but supposedly there's a new copier coming out called TradeSyncer that is going to allow you to trade between TradingView, Tradeify, NinjaTrader, Rhythmic, possibly even the topstep program, like all of them, Rhythmic, Tradeify, etc. So it'd be easier to trade multiple firms. I don't know if I would ever use something like that, just because I can't imagine trading 10 accounts at one time or whatever. But for those of you that have those nerves, that's supposed to be happening as well. Bouncing off the 100 EMA back up. Long here, trying to see if we get anything. Long at 391. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Struggling there, we're out. We are now up 820 today, guys. 820. Burrell, not to, you can't copy Rhythmic to Tradeify. So let me take a look at my trades and see my stats for today if I can. Win, 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 loss. 3-1, 4-1, 5-1, 5-2. So 5 wins, 2 losses today. And we're up 820. Let me see if I can find TradeSync. Hold on. Yeah, it says TradeSync is focused on creating the best copy trader for futures trading, allow you to connect all your trading accounts, including propfirm accounts, across different brokers such as NinjaTrader, Tradeify, and Rhythmic. They will launch with Tradeify, NinjaTrader, Rhythmic, and DX feed. Not sure, honestly. I need to see if they have a affiliate program. Now that I think about it. They have a Discord. Yeah, I can't tell whether or not it's web-based or not, or because it's not available yet. So, it does say multi-device accessibility, so that does sound like web-based. If it's a seamless experience with desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. TradeSync effortlessly synchronizes your trades across multiple broker accounts. Trade on your main account and we'll handle the rest by copying your trades to all linked accounts. Thank you, USC. It's actually the second day in a row. I only trade this Phidias account on Thursdays during the stream. It's actually the second really good day I've had on it. I had a really good day last week too. I don't even know. Is there a dashboard I can look at with Phidias? Let's look. That leaves something to be desired. No. So I can't remember what I did last week, but it was good too. The sale right now for Phidias is awesome. Let me bring that up real quick for anyone that might be interested. As soon as I find that graphic. You would think I would be more organized than what I am. It's here somewhere. I know it is. Maybe not. Anyway, they're 50% off everything right now, even their PA fees, or whatever you want to call the funded setup fees, which is unusual for any prop to put those on sale. 50% off their evals and their funded setup fees, which means that right now you can get an all-in price on the 50K of $112 per account. The eval cost is only $27, and then it's an $85 PA fee. So 112. That comes to the fifth cheapest. Well, fourth. Fourth cheapest of all the 50Ks in the business. They do allow 20 accounts and the day drawdown. It was originally to October 15th. I believe it's now till the end of the month. But I think it's a case of, and I can check on this, but I'm pretty sure it's a case of, as long as you buy the account now, even if it takes you a couple months to pass, the half price PA fee still applies. But I'll try to find that out. Let me check my email to see their latest email that talks about the sale. Let's see. That doesn't say. Yeah, it now says October 31st, so you have time, depending how quick of a trader you are. No, I mean, you don't want to rush. But like I said, I'm pretty sure that it locks in, but I'll try and find out. Excellent, USC. Glad you got one in. Blue candle there. Probably should have grabbed it, but I did not. About 20 minutes to go in the stream. Second blue candle might be giving me an opportunity. Let's see. Once this blue candle decides what it wants to do, I'll tell you. I'm going to show you why. Sometimes I consider myself an idiot. It was a blue, but look, it was more wick than body, so I didn't take it. So, one of my main strategies is I'm looking at these green lines and looking at the first reversal candle after. So now look at this. So here, purple candle, 3 candles after. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm also looking for bands. Like, I want them touching the band. So this one really was not a valid one. This touched the band here. Nice move up. Would have worked for 10. Don't count this one. This was the open. But it would have worked. You see, here's the first purple candle. Here's the second purple candle. Both would have worked there for a good win, even if I didn't count. So here is the win I got, but I took the stop first because I didn't trust it. If I had put my my stop below that candle there, we would have got a beautiful win. Here we're not near the band, so this one doesn't really count. Not near the band, so this one doesn't really count either, although this one would have worked as well. You see 379 down to 356 would have been easy 20 points. This one, purple candle, it works, and if I put my stop above here, even if you didn't consider this working, because it did go 10, the bounce, it would have never stopped out. So this worked. Either one of these, whether it was the first red candle or the first purple candle, would have worked. First blue candle worked. And now this one is iffy. But it went 384 to 393, and it would not have stopped out yet. This is one that might not work. Although technically, and I would never take a stop that. Yeah, I would never. The entry went 84. Theoretically, my stop should have been all the way down at 60. And I would never place a 24-point stop. But you can see so far this is also trying to work. Work. Sorry if I didn't realize I had my quant tower window up. Sorry if I was blocking some of my explanation there. And with that, look at that pop. So yep, this will be another one that works. Would have been in at 384-ish, and it's just going up to at least 15 points. Look at that rise up. And pulls back. About 15 minutes to go here. Popping up. Trying to reverse up again. So how's everybody doing at this point? Red, green, somewhere in between. Small green is good. Keep that in your memory bank for next time. Trouble breaking the 9 here. Purple candle, I like it, but trouble breaking the 9. And it looks like it's going to pop from there. Struggling now. Tomorrow, PPI and University of Michigan sentiment on the news docket. Another purple. Hey, Cryptagon. How are you today? Or how well? I know you were here earlier, but has your day gotten any better? I guess I should ask. Nice, Black. Great job. Bouncing a little bit here. Oh, good day here at MightyOxTrading. If this is our last, if we're not going to make any more trades, we're finishing the day up 820. Excellent job, USC. I know that was hard fought for you. Excellent, Crypt. Awesome, USC. Nice. Trying to reclaim 400 here on NQ. You will. You're getting there. You will. One day soon, USC. Go ahead, post it and share your winners. So, great day here at MightyOxTrading. I hope you'll join me tomorrow. Reminder, for those of you that are interested, after the bell today, at from TradeDay, we're doing this webinar, Building a Playbook, the 3 phases of creating and deploying a strategy, coming up after the bell. There's the link for that. Matt's a great guy. Love supporting him. So we have reached the top of the hour. So we're done for the day. Thank you all for being here. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for some hot PPI action. See you all. See you, USC. Bye.